Ngibonisa indlela ngikhona nokuvela I got two cards in the kitchen. I got my keys and I'm pull up in the game. I started shit when I was a youngster. I grew up with a fire. Angalani benami kulo wamengizazolamba baba Ningiki usizo Aningakodwa nokungibonisa indlela Angiyakhuleka baba kulo wamengizazolamba baba Ningiki usizo Aningakodwa nokungibonisa indlela I wanna get on my knees and I pray for a better days, it's okay. Jabelelang jabulisa wala nelibam. Isifisa sami ukuthi ngikhona ukujabulisa umndeni wami. Unkulunkulu ngipha amandla khona uphusha isibani sami. Nabangani bami wo bajabule. Nezitho zami wo sijabule. Unkulunkulu ngipha amandla wo.
Too many talks, spending belese. Too much hate, bending bambelelo. Too much trips, azobamba umoya. Too many hits, azohlaliseka. Cela upush ispan sami namajita wami. Busy ngifunana ne-cash, tryna make my mama proud. Bona izinja zami no. Yeah, bona izitha zami no. Bona baba lama-million. Ngikalunge so wafaka ngama-miracles. All the niggas tryna beef, nali silicone. We the best in the game, bona isbillion. Yeah, thatha ma-million.
Kulo wamengizazolamba baba Ningiki usizo Aningakodwa nokungibonisa indlela Angiyakhuleka baba Kulo wamengizazolamba baba Ningiki usizo Aningakodwa nokungibonisa indlela Mano ngaphela amandla Sekusele kancane ukuthi bebone indlela